you doing? What is
You're
this?
arrested. I had a dream yesterday you're cheating on me, so today you're arrested.
What the
You're
hell?
gonna be handcuffed with me for a day.
Whole day?
Hmm.
So we're gonna shower together as well? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Ah, you're hurting me. Quick. I need to.
Huh?
I need to. How are we gonna do that?
Ew, you stinks.
I didn't told you to handcuff me. Now you smell. You smell?
You stink. You stink so much. Oh my god.
Hey, you need to stop.
Makeup time.
Can you be quick? Baby. I think I need to poo again.
No.
Ooh, it smells good.
You don't put your saliva on it lah, virus.
Why are you hiding yourself from there? Wow, we're done. Oh, not done yet. Okay guys, so we are ready and we are getting out of the house. Such a pain to wear shoes. You have the key? Really?
You have the key.
I have the key. So we're gonna go out now and let's begin the handcuff challenge. So we have reached to a breakfast place and we're gonna go get some brunch and it's gonna be a mammoth task to get out.
Which side are we gonna go up?
Here. And mommy, save me from Carrie.
Oh, slow.
Quick.
Aya!
Quick. Hey, you can't pull my hand. You're hurting me.
I got it.
Finally elephant out of the car. Someone just was holding a coffee and while we was getting out of the car.
She was like.
This thing hurts because it's stainless steel.
hurt.
Look at the skin.
Show off.
Where are you taking me, officer? Officer! Hey, officer! Hey, officer! Okay, we are here. So that's the place we're going. Here we are. It's me. No, wait for me. Wait for me. Sit, so I can sit.
No, you can't sit here.
Finally. Already tired. Okay, let's order. And see if we can eat it or not. This is gonna be a big challenge. Hey guys.
I want a chicken Caesar salad.
Yeah. Chicken Caesar wrap? Yeah. Thank you. That was easy, guys.
That was easy.
That was very easy.
Very easy. Okay. Okay, I go in back. You stop pulling, otherwise I'm gonna stop pulling.
Look at this thing. I already get marks here. Every time.
No, the way that it is on your wrist was wrong. This should be here.
Okay. Things we gotta do for you guys. So don't forget to hit subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay? Because we are doing it for your YouTube family.
Coffee is here. What is it?
Use that hand. That's unfair. Do you guys think we should just use one hand
No.
for eating?
Otherwise I can't do anything.
Can I have it?
Oh, mine has bacon. Now our food is here.
Let's eat. Cheers. I need some tissues. So full. What are we doing next?
We need to go to the mall because I forgot my lipstick.
Can you choose something easy to do today? We are handcuffed, baby.
No, I'm not going anywhere without it. Hell.
Okay, let's go there. By the way, guys, one challenge, eating food, handcuffed, is done. Success! Officer, can you walk slow, please?
I'm walking.
What is my crime? What did I do? My crime is only that I love this beautiful girl and you just can't accept it, isn't it?
I said you hold my hands. I don't want to be an officer.
She's already in love with me. I am such a handsome criminal.
How do you say that? How do you say that the two person in crime together? We are
Partner in criminal.
no, we are
Crime.
partner in crime.
Every crime we do.
We are partner in crime. Okay, I'll be driving. I'll be the driver. You just hang here.
Chop the hand. You don't dirty my car, otherwise you're doing the cleaning.
Give me my hand.
I need to change the gear. Wait.
You don't have to change your gear. It's auto. How about you get out this time?
No, I can't.
No.
No. I want to go first.
Let me go.
Carrie. Guys, you wanna see?
What? What makes it different? Let me see.
Hey.
You look a bee.
Yeah, that's better. Hold it like that. What lipstick do you want?
Fine. Kiss on the.
And here starts the never-ending process.
How long does it normally take?
I don't know. That's why I never come with her. The store people are looking at us like something is going on here, and any moment we can be kicked out. So we're gonna see how long it takes before we get kicked out.
have it.
Ayo, you wanna ask the girls? That's the girls there. You wanna ask them? Maybe they have it at the back.
Yeah, I'm just
She's trying to be okay.
I'm trying to find the Lolita, but
Unfortunately, that's the most popular one. We definitely
Don't have it. Don't have it.
sorry. Fine. How about we find someone to do your makeup?
What do you mean? Let's go. No, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not doing my makeup. Let's go. Not doing my makeup. Let's go. You know, my challenge? I'm gonna go get a haircut with you.
No.
It's a haircut time. Let's go. Be quick.
Yay!
Success.
Cute.
Let's go get the haircut.
How about we go somewhere else? Like we can go like bowling.
No. We'll go after. What about if we go bowling after my haircut? I will look more handsome.
Why? What am I gonna
Let's
do?
go get a haircut.
What I'm gonna do? Seriously.
You're gonna sit there and watch me getting a haircut. It's the most precious thing you will ever experience.
Oh, I know what to buy.
No. It's hurting me.
We can go here.
No, we are not.
Hey, I'm going to stop you for a sec. We don't allow filming.
Oh my god, how am I gonna go there?
Go.
Okay, let me.
Ah! Wait. Wait.
Okay, I'm stuck.
There we go.
Wow, I moved the steering. Okay, we are here now. You excited? This is the first time. Move! Ow! I'm excited because Carrie.
I'm not getting out of the
First
car.
time Carrie gonna go and do a haircut with me. Like actually. You need to sit under the table. Do you know that?
No.
Yeah, because
I won't.
Because you don't have space there. Really. You have to sit under the table. Like you know how those little kids.
No.
Yeah.
Let's go somewhere else.
Wow, there's so many people here already. Are you excited?
Why are we doing this?
Bro, we'll be filming, yeah? That's cool, yeah? We are doing a handcuff challenge. So Carrie gonna be sitting next to me all the time you do the haircut. By the way, this is Leo. That's haircuts. She'll be with me. We can't get rid of this. Exciting.
Why are we doing this?
Because we want you to see how men
That's
get
for
their
you.
haircut.
YouTube, that's for you. If you say haven't subscribed, subscribe.
So guys, Carrie gonna sit under that table there. That's where you're gonna
No.
sit. Yeah, because you're gonna move around me.
Here.
How? It's at this end. This is gonna be exciting.
No, I can sit there. You just cross your arms.
No, I can't.
You can't sit in his lap.
No, you shouldn't have said that. Bro, don't give her anything she asks for.
No.
Anything she asks for, she's gonna ask you a lot of things, don't give
Can
her.
I use this?
No. No touching. Just watching.
We can shave his eyebrows. I can do that. Can you cut Carrie at the back? Make my name, yeah.
Let me write your name here.
No, please. No.
Just do it. Don't have to tell him.
He won't know.
Yeah, he won't know. He's at the back.
No.
You want to put the cake for her?
Oh, the
Oh,
Why?
because so that you don't get the hair. Wow, baby.
Oh my god! It's Mickey Mouse.
Keep you safe.
Guess what I found? Can make your hair blue, baby. Can I?
No.
We did it.
Yay! Very good. Perfect. Thank you, Leo. This
Yeah.
guy is a legend.
He's a legend. Are you not going like
You
this?
go. There you go, my friend. Thank you. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you. You did it!
We did it!
Finally, Carrie did it. How's my haircut?
Well, very good.
I look so handsome.
You know you have so much hair on your face.
What are you doing?
Where are we going now? Can we go somewhere to play?
What do you want to play?
Play bowling.
We will ball the ball or we'll ball each other? Okay, let's go play bowling, guys. Let's see how we do it there. So, moment of going in. You ready?
Yes. Sit down, is it easier?
No. Okay, ready? You're gonna move. 1, 2, 3, go. At least something is better than nothing.
You hold it tight so you won't.
Yeah.
1,
1, 2, 3.
my God!
Let's try this time. 1, 2.
Take him back!
Go!
Bye-bye!
I can't play. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! Holy moly! Holy moly!
Yeah!
Oh!
I'm gonna beat you all! Wow!
Finally something.
I need a ball!
1, 2, 3, go. Wow, baby. It's gone. We don't give a damn what anybody is doing because we both are out of the game. They win or they lose. Who are you, bro? Who am I? Yeah. We don't know you. But you know the surprising part is Mom. Never thought Mom gonna be beating us all. And she just choked.
She smashed it!
She smashed it. She's 73.
She's better than you.
Yeah, she's better than me, better than Chris, better than anyone.
No, Chris.
Chris is 18
Chris
years old.
gonna cross. Oh!
Whoa! I know this guy, he's my best friend. Okay, we are done. That's our winner. I know this guy, he's my best friend. She's second. I am third. Carrie is fourth, but Carrie is third because she did with left hand. And now we're gonna take our shoes. And do you want to tell them what happened just now?
We almost walked out with our bowling shoes. Like all four of us just
Walk out from there.
Directly
Got out
to
from
that.
there.
Later.
Hey, so hungry. This is so...
Come here. Go there.
Don't burn yourself, be careful.
So, dip the sauce.
Oh.
Let's try it. Oh my god. I am so full.
I'm the same.
This one is good. I
Very
love
good.
This one.
Very good. Can you guys see the red face of Carrie? So this is the one thing. This is the thing I said in the last vlog.
Ain't that red?
She had like literally couple of drinks, guys, and that's also mixed with the Sprite. And she's already a half tomato.
You wanna get in the car again. Hey handcuffed for a day. We did it.
We did it, guys. All thanks to you guys.
It's cold.
Did you just burp? Did you just take a big burp? It's my turn.
Go in. Get in. Get in. Time to unlock. Elmo is so excited as well, see?
Because we couldn't pet him all day long.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we did it. We did it.
Yay.
Handcuff challenge for a day. We did it.
And now we're gonna set us free.
Time to
You ready?
free. Wow! Me as well. So excited. We're gonna handcuff you, Emma, after this. We're done. That's it, guys. That was it.
Oh my god, free. Right, that's it. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the notification bell.
And we will see you guys in the next video. Till then, see you later.